Hey guys, welcome back to English2Flow. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hello, everyone.
James, today I want to tell a real story.
Emotional story?
Yes, very real, very relatable.
I think many people will feel this.
Yes, because this story is about fear.
Fear of speaking English?
Exactly.
So, who is the story about?
A boy named Rahul.
Okay, what is special about Rahul?
Nothing special. Just like you, just like me.
That means very real.
Yes. Rahul was a good student.
Smart?
Yes, he understood English.
That's good.
But he had one problem.
Let me guess.
Say it.
He was afraid to speak?
Exactly.
What happened when he tried to speak?
His heart started beating fast.
Normal fear?
His hands became cold.
Oh, nervous.
His mind went blank.
Worst feeling.
And he stayed silent.
Did people notice this?
Yes.
What did they do?
Some laughed.
That hurts.
Some ignored him.
Even worse.
And some said, "Why are you so quiet?"
That question is painful.
Rahul started thinking,
What did he think?
maybe I am not good enough.
That is dangerous thought.
Maybe English is not for me.
That is wrong belief. Emma, this happens with many people.
Yes, very common.
They lose confidence.
Without even trying properly. One day, something happened.
Turning point?
Yes.
Tell me.
Rahul had to introduce himself in class.
Oh no.
He stood up,
Nervous?
very nervous.
What did he say?
My name, Rahul.
And then?
He stopped.
Blank?
Yes,
That silence feels long.
very long. Some students smiled.
That hurts confidence.
Rahul sat down quickly.
Without finishing.
That day, he felt very bad.
Deep inside.
At night,
He thought about it?
yes, again and again.
Overthinking loop.
He said, "Why can't I speak?"
Big question.
Then something changed.
What?
He got tired of fear.
Powerful moment.
He said, "I am tired of staying silent."
That is the start of change.
Next day, he tried something small.
What did he do?
He spoke one sentence.
Just one?
Yes.
That is enough.
He made mistakes.
Of course.
But he spoke.
That is victory.
Then he started daily practice.
Alone?
Yes.
What did he do?
Talked to himself. Spoke in mirror. Used simple sentences.
That is smart.
Slowly, fear reduced.
Not gone, but less.
Yes.
Did he still feel nervous?
Yes, many times.
That is normal.
But now, he didn't stop.
That is growth.
One day, teacher again asked him to speak.
Oh, same situation.
Yes.
What did Rahul do?
He stood up.
Nervous again?
Yes.
But he spoke.
Simple English.
Not perfect,
Not perfect.
but complete?
Yes.
That is success.
No one laughed.
Really?
Some students listened.
That feels good.
Teacher smiled.
That builds confidence.
That small moment changed everything.
Why?
Because Rahul realized
Fear was not real.
it was only in his mind.
Emma, what happened after that?
He kept practicing.
Daily?
Yes.
End result?
He became confident.
Slowly but surely.
Now Rahul speaks English.
Without fear?
Yes.
Perfect English?
No.
But confident?
Yes.
That is real success.
Exactly. So guys, listen carefully.
Important message.
Fear is normal.
Silence is choice.
Speaking is power. You don't need perfect English.
You need courage.
Start small.
Speak daily.
Don't stop.
Keep going.
You are Rahul.
Your story is same,
Your fear is real.
but your future is bigger.
Now your homework.
Very simple.
Comment, I will speak without fear.
Write 2 sentences.
Example, I am learning English. I will speak daily.
Keep it simple.
Keep speaking. Keep growing with English2Flow.
Your confidence journey has started.
Bye.
Bye, guys.